Welcome back to the Avsa podcast. Yet today's episode was something different. जब मैंने इसको शूट किया था, when I was talking to CA Pooja Malu ma'am, right? It was like an eye opener for me. मुझे ऐसी ऐसी चीजें पता चली during the conversation, which really helped me, even though I'm not going to be one of the candidates, but it helped me understanding how the corporate world is evolving. Yes, CA Pooja Malu ma'am, who has more than 17 years of corporate training experience with her, has shared her insights into the entire corporate recruitment process. सो ये एपिसोड उन लोगों के लिए है, उन कैंडिडेट्स के लिए है जिन्होंने अपना एजुकेशन अभी कंप्लीट किया है. दे आर फ्रेशर्स, मे बी अ सीए क्वालिफाइड फ्रेशर और अ बी स्कूल कैंडिडेट और अ ग्रेजुएट लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब आउट देयर. उन लोगों के लिए ये एपिसोड है बिकॉज मैम ने बताया है डूज एंड डोंट्स of the entire recruitment process. Treat this as a master guide for the entire recruitment process. Take notes, understand the do's and don'ts, and the reason behind those do's and don'ts. So let's get into the podcast and enjoy. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
कैसे हो?
Absolutely fine. How about you?
I am also wonderfully well.
Yes.
So before we start this conversation, I always had a very personal question to ask. And I was always intrigued with it since I saw you in my MCS. That you are a qualified chartered accountant,
Absolutely.
right? And professionally, you are a corporate coach,
Yes.
right? Now, what made you choose such an unconventional career path at a time where there were only two options for a chartered accountant, right? या तो आप प्रैक्टिस में जाओगे या आपको कॉर्पोरेट जॉब्स में जाना है. सूरत के सिनेरियो में पापा के बिजनेस में जाना है. थर्ड ऑप्शन यही हुआ करता है,
Right.
right? So what made you choose this path specifically?
So, sir, I would tell you necessity is the mother of invention. I shifted from Calcutta to Surat and I had worked with big organization, good MNCs. But जब मैं आज से 17 years back when I came down to Surat, so the Surat CA market was more like a banya market. Okay, people
True.
were not ready to pay for it. There was no corporate culture, and for me, settling like from the scratch, mere in-laws ke side mein nobody is into the field of chartered accountancy. So starting from the scratch was something probably mere ko feel hi nahi aayi thi. Second thing was that because I could see the gap between what I had experienced और यहाँ पे जो culture था, that came in as a great resource for me. And I somehow, I think God paved the way out. And standing at this point of time, I can say I have met more chartered accountants than I could have ever met if I was into the professional, or I would say the traditional practice or corporate jobs. So that is how it is. And I never left auditing.
Okay.
अगर मैं सीए होती तो बैलेंस शीट्स ऑडिट कर रही होती एंड नाउ आई एम ऑडिटिंग द स्किल सेट्स. So the auditing is still in my blood. It's just that I've started auditing people and the skills rather than the black and white sheets of paper.
Okay. So exactly what a corporate trainer does.
So if I talk about corporate training per se, so every organization, every company has a set of people. अकेले तो हम grow नहीं कर सकते. And when you are dealing with people, it's a very subjective combination. Like two people working together, one moves out, other one comes in, the entire dynamic changes. And we have to work in teams. So how we communicate, how we lead, how we work in teams, how we manage time, how we manage stress in this ever-changing dynamic industry environment, ये सारी चीजें is what corporate training involves altogether. So in short, I would say making your company reach from here to here in terms of profits, in terms of ethics, which is something extremely important, is what we cover as part of our corporate training module.
Okay. So you have a lot of insights from your 17-year career
Yes.
into the corporate world,
Yes.
right? And today we want to cover one specific aspect of that corporate world, that is the recruitment process,
Perfect.
right? We are targeting those students and youth who are looking for jobs, are freshly graduates, mostly CAs, and but all other graduates who are looking for jobs right now. We would want to help them,
Perfect.
right? And since you have that corporate insight, that how the recruitment process works, what are the do's and don'ts of the recruitment process, and we will be discussing that.
Perfect.
So when we go to corporates may you see there is an entire process of selection from resume shortlisting to aptitude test and a lot of other things. Now, I would like you to throw some light on what is the modern current recruitment process likes in corporates.
Okay. So I would tell you the entire model.
Okay.
Okay. So imagine you've just become a chartered accountant. So you're a CA fresher. So you
Yes.
fall into the fresher category right now. Immediately after that, the first step you would be taking is creating a resume. Well, I would really like to mention here you'll be making a resume and not a CV because you are a CA fresher.
Fresher.
And CV is made either by experienced people. So if you're a career switcher after 3 to 5 years, or you are applying for academic purposes beyond the geographical boundaries of India, तब आप एक CV बनाओगे.
Okay.
Once your resume is shortlisted, and that is done either through a human or a system called applicant tracking system. Later on, we would discuss that. Once that is shortlisted, next comes in a telephonic interview. A general phone call, not taken by the head of the hierarchy, I would say, but that is very important, but taken very lightly by majority of the candidates.
The phone call they receive that your resume has been shortlisted.
Your resume has been shortlisted and they would be asking you some very basic questions.
Okay.
But problem क्या होता है जब हमको अचानक से कॉल आता है and they're asking some questions, we don't want to lie, but we end up saying something we haven't done. Now we need to remember कि हमने वहाँ क्या बोला था टेलीफोनिक इंटरव्यू में जिसका हमको स्टोरी बिल्डअप या होमवर्क एक्चुअल इंटरव्यू में करके जाना है.
Okay.
So once your telephonic interview is done, you are shortlisted, then comes an aptitude test. Now aptitude test is not checking your CA knowledge.
Okay.
यहाँ पे बहुत mistakes होता है by the candidates. Reason being they believe they are chartered accountants. The ego of being a chartered accountant comes in and they make a simple question difficult.
Overthinking.
Overthinking. But aptitude test is more of a time management, stress management test of your general aptitude rather than your CA knowledge. वो वहाँ accounting standards नहीं पूछेंगे.
Okay.
Followed by that, you have group discussions. And this group discussion is really intense. And people do have a lot of anxiety. They are overwhelmed. They are facing 10 people for the first time. And here it is just not about कि आप में knowledge कितना है. Point ये है बिना किसी के बताए बिना कि आपको बोलना है कैसे position निकाल के you can speak your thoughts. And that's a challenge. I have AIRs coming up to me saying, "Ma'am, interview तक नहीं पहुंच पा रहे क्योंकि GD clear नहीं हो रहा."
Oh.
If they have interviews directly, their technical skills are checked and they get through and they know they are AIRs. But जब group discussion में अपना position sort करना है, just by the way you communicate, the way you lead in a very subtle manner, वो interview से ज़्यादा difficult होता है. Because here, person with good communication skills would say a simple thing in a very strong manner, or दूसरा AIR super with technical skills but unable to convey. And the goof-up begins. Followed by that, you have interviews. Interview again is divided into 3 major parts, one being your technical questions. You would be a better one to take that over because I would not say I'm very good with my technical skills in terms of core knowledge. Followed by that, we have HR questions. Questions like, tell me something about yourself. 3 adjectives that define you. Again, इसमें भी practice चाहिए, but candidates fail to practice. And अचानक से, even if I ask the people who are listening, tell me something about yourself, I can bet you that they are still wondering क्या बोलना है. And the third type of question is guesstimate test question, particularly for people getting into consultancy and more related to investment banking, where the need for logical thinking बहुत high है.
Okay.
Yes, so that is the entire screening procedure. Good news, हर जगह हर step नहीं होता है. So it's definitely resume, interview is there everywhere, and bigger the organization, higher the level of screening that would be there.
Okay. Now, in this entire process, now this has been since the beginning,
Yes.
the process. What has changed in terms of automation or incorporation of machines in this entire process these days? Because it is like for one seat,
Hmm.
there are more than 100 candidates waiting.
So 250 resumes for every job opening on an average. That's what the statistics say. So 100 was too optimistic, and that's the average.
Okay. I'll correct. So 250 average candidates apply for one job opening in a corporate. So every company wants to automate a lot of filters and eliminate the candidates in early stages. So what role automation plays in recruitment process today, and which part of the process is still human intensive from the company side, and which part is completely now being slowly or gradually in few years might be automated completely?
Okay, so I would say 3 machines
Okay.
are involved in 3 different processes. One, resume is not scanned by humans in big MNCs because it costs them a lot and they want to automate the entire thing. So instead of a human checking the resume, it's the ATS or the applicant tracking system.
Okay.
So a job description उसमें feed किया जाता है, then the resume is put into the system, and then a score is given.
Okay.
So even if your resume looks brilliant when you see from a human eye, it might not get a good score through the ATS, and even a candidate that deserves to be there might be he was the best candidate और उसका resume shortlist नहीं हुआ. So we have to make sure that if you're applying to a big MNC, if you're applying to Big Fours, you have to make an ATS friendly resume.
Once again, ATS is?
Applicant tracking system.
Okay.
That is one place. Next, I would say in aptitude test, you already have a machine. So either you go there, you get a link, you open it, and you give the aptitude test question. जैसे हम अपने MCQ questions देते, they are MCQs. I said 3, but I would like to add 4. In group discussions, many a times now there are no facilitators right in front of your eye. There's just a CCTV camera.
Okay, but
So
still the process is
The
observed by
process,
human.
human behind the camera, I mean on screen. But उससे difference क्या होता है? Even if it turns into a fish market, the entire group is rejected. क्योंकि एक इंसान को आप देख रहे हो जो आपको देख रहा है subconsciously और even consciously you are bothered. You don't cross the line of
Correct.
leaving your professional attitude. But अगर कोई नहीं देख रहा है, एक CCTV है, तो कई बार just because of 2 people in the group, the entire group is rejected. And कभी एक reason नहीं दिया जाता है. And 4th thing, which one of my students told me and I was zapped, was during the interview process.
Okay.
Just imagine, sir, you enter an interview. How did you prepare for your interview?
I never gave one.
Oh, you never gave one. Okay. So normally we have general HR preparation, technical preparation. खुद करो, चाहे आप किसी के help से करो. Followed by that, you go and you give the interview. And before that, आप थोड़े mock interviews दे देते हो. But यहाँ पे the student entered. Imagine no humans in the room.
In the interview room.
In the interview room, no humans. There was just a laptop right in front of him.
Again, camera setup?
No, a laptop or a computer in
Okay.
front, and the AI is talking. Hi, Rahul.
A chat bot took an interview.
Yes. Now imagine हम इतना सिखा के भेजते हैं eye contact ऐसे करना है. You have to look into the color of the eyeball of the interviewer. That gives you a good eye contact. And suddenly there are no eyes watching you.
This is crazy.
I mean, when I heard for the first time, I was like, the level every trainer or every person in mentoring has to upgrade. So imagine talking to, like your interviewer is a bot. It's a piece, it's a computer and the camera lens is recording you. So that was scary. So automation तो हर जगह एक बहुत important part बनने जा रहा है. You have to learn how to use AI. You have to make sure that your resume is ATS friendly. And now you have to learn how to talk to a camera. So I really don't know कि world कहाँ से कहाँ चला जाएगा. Probably in 3 years down the line, we never imagined there would be something like an AI.
Yes.
Google was God for us. और अब AI देखने के बाद last time हम Google पे search कब किए थे?
True.
We don't remember. So it's very difficult to predict, but ये जरूर समझ में आ रहा है, life is going to get difficult. We have to work on the way we communicate.
So, considering automation process and whatever you just said, what are the things a candidate needs to be ready for today? कि भाई एक checklist है, ये चेकलिस्ट में इतनी चीजें तो बेयर मिनिमम है दैट एवरी कैंडिडेट मस्ट हैव.
No, in regard to what? How you create your resume or in terms
Let's
of...
break it down into 3 parts.
Okay,
Right? एक बार एप्टीट्यूड को साइड में रखते हैं because it
perfect.
is technical and
Yes,
logical part.
absolutely.
So a candidate needs to prepare for resume, GD and personal interview.
Right.
Right? तो इसमें सबसे पहले if we start with resume, कि भाई resume में 3 things that needs to be taken care of or maybe 3 mistakes to avoid. कि ये तो करना ही नहीं है और ये करना ही है.
I would try to stick to 3, but I might end up adding a little more because I want to help everyone who is spending time to listen to us. So one, right at the top, जब हम अपना basic information डाल रहे हैं, एक ही URL डालते हैं सर, कौन सा?
LinkedIn.
LinkedIn. And now if I tell you in a batch of 50, if I ask them how many of you have a LinkedIn profile, 48 out of 50 would raise their hand. And the moment I tell them how many of you have an active LinkedIn profile, that means you've posted in last 1 month, keep your hands up. Baki, put your hands down. On an average, 2 out of 48.
Okay.
So please, that's the only social media link that you are adding, and that's the only social proof you have that you're adding to the document that reaches the organization before you do. So, and you will have to be active on it starting today. I won't even say if you have done with your grade 12, it's time, start creating your LinkedIn account and start making it active. खाली LinkedIn account में अगर मैं enter करूँ, majority of the students, particularly in tier 2, tier 3 cities, account heavy, it's not active. Now for me, if from Surat I'm going to Mumbai, एंड मुंबई में एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के पास 2 रिज्यूमे हैं. एक कैंडिडेट जो अपना लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल में एक्टिवली पोस्ट करा है, आई गेट अ इमीडिएट चेक कि यस दिस पर्सन इज एक्चुअली व्हाट ही इज सेइंग और व्हाट द रिज्यूमे सेज. और दूसरे इंसान में से 50 फॉलोअर्स एंड ओनली लाइकिंग अदर पोस्ट, कनेक्शंस बहुत कम. So that directly puts your chances down. Second thing, please avoid adding tables. Even if you go on ChatGPT, Claude, or any other AI and ask them, can ATS read tables? They would say they find it difficult. A problem ये है, and ATS reads from left to right.
Okay.
अगर आपका say the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India आप एक tabular format में डाल रहे हो, generally the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India है. Now when it's reading from year to year, first line में वो खाली the institute पढ़ेगा, बाकी line खत्म करेगा, then next and next. Okay, so what you're trying to say, a human can understand and ATS cannot. Third thing, please add numbers. They need evidence of what you have done. One candidate says file GST return, others says file more than 50 GST returns of both individual accounts and say firms. The second option gives more credibility of the work they have done. So just adding numbers makes a lot of difference. Fourth thing that I would like to add, avoid adding hobbies.
Okay.
2 reasons. One, you're not looking for a spouse. So they're not really bothered whether if you're fond of traveling or not. Right? And second thing, बहुत बार interview में question पूछते हैं कि tell me something about yourself, not there in your resume. Then hobbies is the only thing जो handy आता है. Otherwise, we'll have to end up saying I belong to a Jain family, I have 1 sibling, and that doesn't make sense.
Doesn't.
And fifth and last thing, resumes don't work like L'Oreal, 5 problem, 1 solution. So if you're serious about the job, then make a tailor-made resume for each job application.
Okay.
For at least the roles you are really keen about.
So it should be customized according to profiles or profiles and companies both.
Job description.
Job description.
So for example, मेरा पूरा articleship, stat audit and internal audit दोनों में किया हुआ है. But अगर I'm applying for stat audit, so there should be more mention about the experience related to statutory audit rather than the other option.
Okay.
So we have to tailor it. And even in the career objective, it should be as per the job description. And the company, like aligning it with their mission and vision. Now, company A will not have the same mission and vision as company B. तो A का अलग बनेगा, B का अलग बनेगा. At least वो 5 important job के लिए, you will have to give that extra effort.
Okay. So to summarize the resume वाला part, सबसे पहले LinkedIn, an active LinkedIn profile.
Yes.
If it is not active, please start today. Right? चाहे आपने 12th clear किया हो, चाहे you are cleared inter and looking for articleship, or you are a fresher. Second is ATS systems mostly scan resumes before any individual looks at it.
Individual would not even look into it if the ATS score is below the threshold.
Below the threshold.
तो अगर
So,
आपका ATS स्कोर 50 फॉर एग्जांपल उन्होंने 50 या 60 फीड किया हुआ है, उससे नीचे है तो शायद वो रेज्यूमे देखा भी नहीं जा रहा है.
okay. So in that, tables must be avoided.
Yes.
Right? And third, put as much as quantifiable
Even ATS scores उससे बहुत बढ़ते हैं. Quantification. Yes.
Okay. Okay. And fourth, we can skip hobbies for interview or for tell me about yourself wala part.
हाँ, might be one sentence related to it if there's something worth adding in there.
Okay. Now, the follow-up question here I have is, let's say, for example, I did not complete my articleship or I did not do it very seriously. I did it in a very small firm in Surat. Right? Not much of a lot of an experience. I just filed income tax returns. I did not do any upskilling. I did not win anything in my school life. How will I fill one page of my resume?
Additional courses. कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. I mean, without doing anything, you just have 4 lines or 5 lines in your education. आप experience में जो actual में किए हो वो डाल दिए. You can also create something जो आप basic level पे किए हो उसका थोड़ा expand करके डाल दो क्योंकि एक पेज में आप 3 लाइन का भी space empty तो नहीं छोड़ सकते हो. And you cannot make the font size 14. It has to be 10 or 12. Now the point remains, the only additional thing that is still in our hand before we make our resume is upskilling. There are a lot of courses, sir. There are courses which is charged 1,500, 2,000 rupees from like done by NISM. So अपने वो courses कर देते. It is by NSC India. Again आप बोल रहे हो जैसे income tax में उसने return file किया है. अब उसको जाना है for example something related to portfolios. So there needs to be some upskilling. नहीं तो वो interview में बोलेगा कैसा I am better than candidate B. So he can say, although my experience is not related to it, but I have upskilled myself. I have managed portfolio of my family. Because for them, it's this candidate or that candidate. There is no personal relationship. वो आपको नहीं जानते हैं कि वो आपको वो job देंगे. So upskilling is the only way out. Apart from that, you can add like skills, where you can add various competencies. So one can be technical competencies if you want to get into, say, US accounting. You can mention IFRS, you can mention outsourcing का आपने कोई course किया है. Second can be computer proficiency, where you can add certain softwares that you have worked on. And third would be your soft skills. Because every line matters. आधा पेज में तो resume खत्म हो जाता है कितनों का. Then you will have to, it's a very valid question. So upskilling is the only way. Other certificates yes, or other certifications के नीचे you can add those things.
So resume is sorted. Now we move on to GD. Right? Again, 3 things that needs to be taken care of or avoided.
Okay, I would like to ask you a question. A very simple question. Okay, भगवान ने कितने कान दिए?
2.
And move?
1.
Just remember this. In group discussion, people go in with the mindset कि बहुत बोलना है, and ultimately ज़्यादा बोलते they end up making mistakes, talking something very basic. So listen and respond rather than reacting.
Okay.
So group discussion is about teamwork, but लोगों को ऐसा लगता है खाली बोलना है. Talk less but talk strong. That is first point which I really want everyone to know. It's not the quantity but the quality that matters.
Okay.
Second thing that I really want, like what the recruiters actually want, is that they show teamwork and leadership somehow. अब leadership वो कैसे हो सकता है? So for example, if there are 8 people, 7 people are talking in one direction.
Okay.
If that one candidate takes the other side and backs it up with something very strong, बाकी 7 उसी से बात कर रहे होंगे.
Okay.
And that happens subconsciously. So if 6 people are somehow, I would say towards 4, you can speak both for and against in the same GD, but somewhere towards 4, I am against, you would subconsciously talk to me क्योंकि human psychology है, झगड़ा करने में मजा आता है. Right? So if possible, take that step, but you should have very solid points to back it up. Nahi to it's a risky thing to do, but it works well. You end up becoming a leader, and you get more opportunities to talk strong. And third thing, wherever possible, ये खाली first mover advantage होता है. Mention the company in a positive manner in your group discussion.
Okay.
This is usually not discussed, but everyone likes. For example, I'm an Afsar. If I say anything good about it, you would like it. Similarly, you're sitting in any of the organization, MNC, or suddenly you say something good about it in a very subtle manner related to the group discussion. जो उस कंपनी के बारे में बता रहा है, he knows so much about the company. So might be a CSR that the company is doing somewhere in the group discussion. इससे समझ में आता है the person has researched the company, he knows about the company, and others are also like he knows so much about the company and we don't know. वो डर के उसमें से 8 में से 1-2 तो ऐसे ही कम हो जाते हैं. But this is just first mover. We don't need to be cheesy about it. नहीं लगना चाहिए that हम recruiters को convince करें that we know so much. It should come in very like just बात में निकल जाना चाहिए. That way.
Okay. So one is you take the leadership if you have points to back it up, right? By going against the entire GD crowd,
Yes.
right? That can be one strategy. Other is settling, pointing out what company is doing. Maybe company is helping farmers and topic is around that. Or maybe company is doing good in education. Yeah, company is working on new technology, right? That can help people. Or the first one was we need to listen more
Yes.
and talk less.
Yes.
Right? Because इसमें yes, I remember अपना एक और बार discussion हुआ था that if a candidate is not able to frame points कि एकदम ही टॉपिक मेरे कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर है जिसके बारे में मैंने कभी सुना भी नहीं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स से इट इज क्रिप्टो एंड आई डोंट नो हाउ ब्लॉकचेन एक्चुअली वर्क्स. So what is the best strategy that we discussed last time was you sit, listen to everyone, take points in your head and then conclude.
And then this is add. Speak the same thing out because it's any day better than not speaking.
Not speaking.
सुनना डबल है लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है खाली सुनते जाना है. So you have to ultimately speak. And last thing that I would like to mention is लोग confused हो जाते हैं क्या बोलना है. If the topic is too open.
Okay.
Something like COVID-19. Now, each of the students right now, they have lived COVID. So, COVID जैसे topic में they would end up speaking something very basic. So, do a quick pestle analysis. Like, that's my favorite strategy. Political, economical, social, technological, ecological and legal. इसमें से अगर 1 या 2 या 3 heads के अंदर आपको 2-3 point आ जाएंगे और group discussion is sorted. You need to have a roadmap. So I very strongly believe motivation, खाली motivation से better है. You need to have a stronger strategy. Motivation will come and go. Strategies would always stay. So Pestle is a brilliant strategy and always works.
Okay, so we can apply Pestle in any topic that we have received, right? What if the topic is abstract, say love?
Love.
Does this happen or?
No. This definitely happens. So in one of the organization, when I was training someone for B school, not for chartered accountancy, the topic given to them was the wall behind you and you can't look back.
Oh, okay.
Now this is all the more difficult than love, I believe. So अगर मैं बोल रही हूँ now I can't look back and based on the aesthetics, पहले ऐसे होते थे चारों दीवार सेम कलर के होते थे, अब वो भी नहीं होता है. So now this wall, and I still don't know what's the color of the wall behind me. So you have to be very alert the moment you enter. Second thing, जो WhatsApp messages जिसको हम delete कर देते हैं ना, 5-7 quotes याद कर लो. Change is the only constant. If an egg is broken from outside, the life ends. When the same pressure is exerted from within, the life begins. अब इस टाइप के चीजें क्या होती है because it's a subjective topic. There's nothing right or wrong. You have to talk. तब क्या बोले? So frankly, these quotes come in handy. Alertness comes in handy, and at the same time, you have to think in a very in the manner of a metaphor. ये wall behind me, it is not just about the color. It can be something जिसको आपको cross करना होगा to come out of your comfort zone. So आप उसको अपने वे में ले सकते हैं. Get in all the life lessons you have heard. Get in teamwork. Get in whatever comes to your mind. attach it to the abstract topic and speak it out. And abstract topics are the most difficult ones to handle because it takes life lessons to talk about it. There is no syllabus that can teach you that.
Now, I did this once in a trial GD. We were given a topic dot. You gave us the topic dot. You were conducting, you were there. And now you just drew that dot on a board with a
Yes.
marker. And we took it to Department of Telecommunication.
Yes.
So can we do that safely? To
No.
converting that abstract topic into a technical one.
You can, but you should touch and leave. I
Okay.
mean, you cannot make a topic of demonetization convert into a topic of corruption. Demonetization को अगर अपना टॉपिक है तो उसको आप करप्शन टच करके वापस आना है. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि टॉपिक वाज डॉट
And it
and
becomes-
after 3 minutes the topic was no more dot.
Hmm.
The topic was telecommunication. So that is something as a recruiter
Hmm.
they are thinking ये हो क्या रहा है. So at that point of time, a smart person in the group should say, I think we are diverting from the topic. The topic is this, that dot. Okay, so even that person is noticed. So I believe touch and leave. Do not change the topic. वो नहीं कर सकते हैं.
Okay. Now, last thing about GD, then we'll move to personal interviews. This is too much for a new candidate who has not much been actively participating in speaking events. How can they practice and make all these their muscle memories before they enter into an actual GD?
You would actually laugh, but there are a few batches that I had taken. And उसमें से एक बैच है वो एग्जाम के बाद से लेके अपने इंटरव्यू तक every third day they're meeting at a park
Okay.
सुबह सुबह.
Okay.
And when I take the sessions, तो उनमें से ही मैं 3 को हमेशा जज बनाती हूँ. Then they become participants. So now they know what the recruiters are looking for. So आप 10 लोगों का बैच बनाओ. आप सब लोगों ने MCS अटेंड किया है. You have a group. Out of 40-50 people, you will find 10 people. 10-12 people. Form a separate group. Meet somewhere. If you don't get a place, meet at a park. That's always available. Subah subah milo. 8 people are discussing, 2 people are the judges, then you have a critical analysis and boom, I mean, you are all set because वो muscle memory बनाने के लिए practice ही करना होगा. Only science behind group discussion is never going to work. You need to talk to learn how to talk.
True.
So it's a brilliant way. आपके सबके पास institute has been so kind creating these MCS batches. Now उसको कैसे use करना है, कैसे उसके through network बनाना है, that is our lookout.
Okay. So practicing with the small group जिसके साथ आप पढ़े हो maybe या जिसके साथ you have attended MCS, and again not just the CA people. If you are from a B school or you are from Delhi University looking for a job, you will have a group.
Absolutely.
Right,
Even
जिसके
coaching centers.
Yes.
I mean, सबको, everyone wanting to get into a corporate job, they want to practice. And group discussions का best part पता है क्या है? Group discussion आपको इंटरव्यू के लिए super solid prepare करता है.
कैसे?
आप बोलना सीख जाते हो.
Okay. Okay.
आप बोलना सीख गए हो. जो नॉलेज आप अकेले पढ़ के ले रहे थे, now when you are say doing 2 mock group discussions for 7 days, you have covered 14 topics, insights from 8 people. You're already prepared for your interview. खाली HR question बाकी है, current affairs covered, general speaking skills covered, confidence covered. If you managed in that, I would say at times fish market of 8 people, तो interview तो लगता है कि क्या है.
True. Okay.
So that works well.
So now personal interview. मतलब, let us assume that majority companies are still not using AI bots. That was just one off.
I really don't want that to happen. Let humans be there. We are humans. We want to talk to humans. क्यों लाइफ को इतना बुरा बना रहे लोग पता नहीं.
So let us take that कि वो one off event था जहाँ पे AI bot took an interview. In a general interview, what are the do's and don'ts that a student or a candidate needs?
One, prepare. ये मत सोचो कि HR questions. So I would just cover HR and guesstimates here. Okay, technicals, I think it's very domain specific, job description specific, so I'm not taking
And
that.
once you read it up and practice speaking, technical is sorted.
आप फाइनल्स क्लियर किए हो,
हाँ.
तो आप ऑलरेडी महान बन चुके हो. आप खाली प्रूव करना है. So technicals, you know it. That is why I'm not taking that. And मतलब उनको और नया ज्ञान है. Okay, so now talking about HR questions, don't take them for granted.
Okay.
So when I say don't take that for granted, the fact remains, tell me something about yourself. सबको पता है पूछेंगे. सोचते हैं वहीं पे क्यूरेट हो जाएगा, नहीं होता है. Tell me 3 adjectives that define you. Okay.
You are asking me?
Yes.
3 adjectives.
Imagine you're a CA fresher. Okay.
That
Go
will
back
make me nervous.
No. We have to go back your memory lane. 3 adjectives that define you.
Okay. Being determined is an
Okay,
adjective.
determined.
And calm under pressure.
Okay.
I can handle that. And soft spoken.
Okay, when you were saying all these 3 adjectives, you were already doing this.
Yes.
Yes. क्यों? Because you were not prepared.
Yes.
If you were prepared about 3 adjectives, वो
Hmm.
जल्दी से आ जाता. So you used determined, you used calm under pressure, and the third one was
Soft spoken.
soft spoken. Now tell me one thing, ये तीनों में से कौन सा adjective ये बता रहा है कि आप अच्छे सीए हो?
कोई भी नहीं. मे बी अगर मैं perseverance बोलता तो वो हो सकता था.
नहीं, but why should you not add one adjective that is related to your core skills? Something like analytical, something like logical thinker,
True.
something like a critical thinker. So again, ये पढ़ने से ही आएगा ना. Like technicals, आपने subjects पढ़े थे, so final clear हुआ. अब इतना you've spent 4.5 years to become a CA, and now when it comes to the last leap, तब हम क्यों इतने आराम से बैठते, एग्जाम हो गया, अब कुछ नहीं करना, अब सीधा CTC देखेंगे कितना मिलेगा. It doesn't happen that way. वो last step पे don't just be too relaxed. So practice the HR questions.
Okay.
Simple things अगर आप practice नहीं करोगे, mock interviews, ask a friend to take a mock interview. You don't need to take classes, frankly. अगर आप लोग 2 जन हो, 4 जन हो, mock interviews तो. Because more mock interviews you give, better prepared you would be. सामने वाला कैसा भी हो सकता है ना. It can be someone smiling, it can be someone like, but you'll have to manage. So practice and practice. Second thing, अब बहुत सारे questions related to guesstimates आने लग गए हैं.
Okay.
So
What is guesstimate?
guesstimate is basically questions that's checking your logical skills.
Okay.
So when I say logical skills, how many cups of tea is being consumed in Mumbai every day? And ये अब pure CA related jobs में पूछने लग गए हैं. It's not just consulting, वहाँ तो पूछते ही थे because they want logical thinkers, but even in general interviews वो पूछ रहे हैं.
So basically I need to know how many.
No.
How does this work? How will I answer this?
Yes. So
Or you just ask me कि this is the
okay,
scenario.
sir, do you live in a complex?
Yes.
Okay, how many people live in your complex? Very basic
52
question.
into 4. 52 flats, average 4 people in a family.
Yes.
So 52.
So that's guesstimate. What they
Okay.
were looking for, you did not come up with an exact answer immediately.
Okay. Okay. You commit to.
So
in a very
आपने
sensible
5,000 नहीं बोला, आपने 2,000 बोला, that was backed up with a reason,
way.
right? Like 54 into say 4. So you came up with a reason behind your 2,000, whatever number it was. So how many cups of tea is being consumed in Mumbai every
Okay,
day?
so-
Start with the population. Followed by कितने लोग hot beverage का consume करते हैं. Followed by tea or coffee का percentage. Followed by number of cups of tea being consumed. Then you arrive at a number.
Okay.
The actual number and the number you said might be like poles
Way off.
apart. कोई relation नहीं है. एक आंसर 1000 है, आपका आंसर 200 आया है. But 200 वाला के पीछे अगर logic सही है, they are looking for the logic.
Okay. So how I think is basically is being tested.
Yes, and they would ask you for the logic. If you give an answer immediately, that's the biggest mistake you are doing. So interview में भी सुनना बहुत जरूरी है. सुनना, सोचना, and then answer your guesstimate test questions.
Okay.
So because this is somewhere between your HR questions and technical questions. CA के syllabus में guesstimate cover नहीं हो रहा है.
Okay. Yes.
Right? So now it is somewhere in between where you have to use all the logics you have learned convert it into something extraordinary through the presentation and put it forward.
Okay. Now, interview में सबसे difficult question is your salary expectation, I believe.
Hmm.
How to deal with that? Solve that for everyone once and for all.
Okay, know the industry norms. बहुत important है, सबको पता है, but वो नहीं पता करके जाता है. उसके लिए अगर आप पूछोगे कैसे, पहले लिंक्डइन सैलरी बोल के एक वो होता था साइट, बट नाउ इट्स नो मोर वर्किंग. सो ग्लासडोर कैन बी वन एवेन्यू. टू, एज वी मेंशन राइट एट द बिगनिंग व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड डिस्कसिंग, लिंक्डइन पे कनेक्ट्स बनाओ. अब मेरे पास अगर बिग फोर में पर्टिकुलर से कंपनी एक्स में मुझे जाना है, आई हैव कनेक्शंस फ्रॉम कंपनी है. इट कैन हेल्प मी इन टू वेज. वन, टू नो द इंडस्ट्री स्टैंडर्ड्स कि आपके कंपनी में क्या चल रहा है. सेकेंड, दे कैन ऑल्सो गिव अ रेफरल.
Okay.
बट रेफरल कभी लिंक्डइन से बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग कनेक्शन नहीं हो तो नहीं मांगना चाहिए, बिकॉज दे माइट टेल यू ओके टेक माई नेम, बट पीछे से वो बोल रहे नहीं आई डोंट नो दिस पर्सन, दैट माइट गो अगेंस्ट यू. सो ओनली अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग रेफरल माइट वर्क व्हेन यू हैव क्रिएटेड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग कनेक्शन. अदरवाइज डेफिनेटली इंडस्ट्री स्टैंडर्ड्स के लिए तो इट वर्क्स वेरी वेल.
Okay.
Know your industry standard. Second, there's something called the anchor technique. So the first number works better. So if you are the interviewer and you ask me what is my salary expectation, I should know what number I want and I should say the first number. क्योंकि फिर आप जो भी ऑफर कर रहे थे वो इसके तरफ पुल हो जाएगा. Third, give a range. Never say 13 lakhs.
Okay.
So if I am expecting मेरा cost of living in a tier 1 city सब करके मुझे पता है कि 11 लाख से नीचे तो मैं वहां पे काम करूंगा ही नहीं.
Okay.
So make your range 11.5 to 13. Give a range. और जो lowest आप जो आपको पता है इसके नीचे आप नहीं करोगे उससे 50,000 ऊपर ही रेंज रखना कि आपके पास नेगोशिएशन का हर जगह स्कोप हो. बट दैट शुड बी विद इन द इंडस्ट्री स्टैंडर्ड. So find the number, see if that is with the industry standard and quote the number first.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, I've never been into an interview. Is
Okay.
there something called negotiation कि मैं इतना बोल रहा हूँ, फिर सामने वाला इतना बोल रहा है, फिर इतना बोल रहा है, and then we crack it?
Off campus, yes.
Okay.
And a good interview, on an average, आपका 10% salary बढ़ा देता है. A bad interview, you are not in a position to negotiate. It's like आप जो दे रहे हो, that's good enough for me. So work hard on your interview. Make them realize that they need you. And as a matter of fact, sir, क्यों लोग employees ले रहे हैं? The organization needs you as much as you need the job. And this is one sentence I want everyone to very strongly understand. कि they are not hiring you just because they like you. They are hiring you to earn out of you. तो हम क्यों इतना डर रहे हैं? क्या होगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा? We would not get hired here. If you are a CA, you will get hired. You will get hired. I mean, I don't know an unemployed chartered accountant.
True.
Right. So why are we so scared? If we are scared, interview goof up करेंगे, negotiate नहीं कर पाएंगे, ultimately वो level पे आपको salary offer करेंगे, आप ना बोल दोगे. So don't be scared.
Okay. Now, I think ये एक बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है जो स्टूडेंट्स नहीं प्रिपेयर करके जाते हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ कंपनीज ऑफर अ विंडो कि आस्क क्वेश्चंस इफ यू वांट, कि आपकी जॉब प्रोफाइल के बारे में कुछ पूछना है या कुछ भी पूछना है, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ देम फंबल के नहीं पूछना, आई एम ओके, सैलरी नेगोशिएशन के बाद में आता है जनरली, एंड दे लाइक हो गया हमारा. आई पर्सनली थिंक दैट इज अ बैड साइन, बिकॉज मैं बहुत बार करता हूँ रिक्रूट, एंड व्हेन आई आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन एंड सामने वाला कुछ नहीं पूछ रहा है, I will not entertain that person anymore. Because अगर तुम मेरे business के बारे में नहीं जान रहे हो, what are you here for? What will you be dealing with? तो फिर you are not interested. You are just interested in money.
You answered the question yourself.
Okay.
And that's nice. Never say a no when you are leaving the room, because that's the last impression जो उसके mind में रहेगा. ठीक है, अगर मैं यही करके जा रहा हूँ तो उसके दिमाग में भी यही चलेगा. You don't have questions, we don't want you. So I always believe this very strongly. And कभी ऐसा नहीं होता कि आपके पास questions नहीं हो. Even if you are least interested and it's like any job, आप खाली एक mock देने के actual organization में गए हो, होता है ऐसा. Even then, why do You take the offer, then say no. I always tell my students that. वहां से ना नहीं आना चाहिए because we did not do well. So 2 questions that works everywhere.
Okay.
If you have done even little bit of research about the company, one question you can ask is about their CSR activities. Any big MNC, they have their CSR activities and nobody talks about it. ना आपने जैसे बोला जॉब प्रोफाइल के बारे में पूछो, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है मत पूछो, पूरा इंटरव्यू तो जॉब प्रोफाइल था.
Okay.
क्यों नहीं जाते टाइम हम कुछ ऐसा पूछे जो किसी ने अभी तक नहीं पूछा. And nobody asks about CSR. I'm sure. Has anyone asked you what was the social initiative behind the thought or the thought process behind this? No. So now you have to sound different before you leave. So ask about their CSR activity. Ask them, how can I contribute towards it? If you have done social service, social activities in the past, you can ask them that I have done something like this in the past. How can I contribute? ना सब जन जब पैसे की बात कर रहे हैं, कल्चर का बात कर रहे हैं, आप CSR का बात कर रहे हैं, वाह. That's the feeling, right? Second question कुछ स्ट्राइक नहीं करे, इंटरव्यू एवरेज गया, लेकिन ना तो नहीं बोलना. Never ask for a feedback.
Okay.
उसकी जगह क्वेश्चन को चेंज कर देते हैं. So if I ask the viewers right now, give me a feedback about the podcast, उनके दिमाग में प्लस माइनस दोनों चीज आएंगे. अरे ये बेटर हो सकता था, ये चीज में कमी रह गई थी. अब अच्छा बुरा दोनों सोच रहे हो. अब इंटरव्यू के से निकल रहे हो, आप खाली अच्छा सोचो. आप चाहते हो इंटरव्यूअर अच्छा अच्छा सोचे. So how can you make the interviewer think what you want? Is there anything about my skills and expertise you want me to elaborate on? मैं उसको क्या याद दिला रही हूँ? स्किल्स एक्सपर्टीज. मैं बोली नहीं मैं कहाँ खराब. So I'm forcing them to think what I want them to think.
Will this not backfire अगर वो बहुत टेक्निकल चलेगा?
क्या जाएंगे?
For example, if I have made sure that in the entire interview I'm talking about portfolio management, right? Now जो बैठा है वो बहुत सटल हो रहा था मेरे साथ कि ठीक है, यू आर अ गुड कैंडिडेट, इधर उधर पूछा, थोड़ा टेक्निकल टेस्ट किया, डन डस्टेड, डील डन है. अब मैंने बोल दिया कि यार आप मेरे से मेरी एक्सपर्टीज के बारे में पूछो. ठीक है. अब वो मार्केट लीडर है, वो उसने घोल के पी लिया है पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजमेंट. अब वो मेरे को
Okay.
बैठ गया तो
अगर सिचुएशन चेंज, क्वेश्चन चेंज. नाउ द क्वेश्चन शुड बी, सो आई डू, इज देयर एनीथिंग लाइक इफ आई गेट an offer letter, till the time I join, is there anything I can really upskill myself in to be a great fit in this organization? Again, mindset. This girl or this man wants to learn. So आपको जाते टाइम ये दिखाना है हम बहुत अच्छे. And there's nothing cheesy in all the questions we discussed. We were not desperate that we won the job. We never showcase anything extraordinary. हम अपने मुंह से कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं बोले, but we want the other person to recall good things or our mindset.
Correct.
But अगर हम feedback पूछेंगे तो फंस जाएंगे.
नहीं, also as a recruiter this is not cheesy because मेरे को बताता है आप कितना genuinely interested हो to work here.
Yes, yes.
And if you're not interested to work here, you're here just for the money, right?
You are not going to stay. Attrition rate is a big problem everywhere. And in the CA industry, जहाँ CAs है वहाँ this is a growing problem.
Yes.
टैलेंट ऐसे निकाल के दूसरा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लेके जा रहा है. सो दे वांट पीपल हु वुड बी लॉयल. सो इवन इन द 3 एडजेक्टिव्स वी डिस्कस्ड, सो एथिकल इज माय फेवरेट एडजेक्टिव दैट आई बिलीव लाइक कैंडिडेट्स अपीयरिंग, इफ दे से एथिकल, आई लव इट. एवरीवन वांट्स एथिकल पीपल. सो ये सारी चीजें सी रिसोर्सेज आर अवेलेबल एट लाइक लॉट ऑफ रिसोर्सेज आर अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन. कंज्यूम देम.
With this, can you mention specific sources? Because as you said, lot is available. Now lot is overwhelming at times. कि किसकी सुनूं, किसकी नहीं सुनूं. Can you point those candidates in the right direction? Yeah, maybe there might be something that you are providing that those people can access.
Exactly. I would not like to really point out anything that others are doing because सबसे best है अपना group बनाओ, उनमें करो. The way your like candidates from the same batch, जितने critical वो हो सकते हैं, believe me, no trainer can be. Two, do not over prepare. When I say do not over prepare, I literally mean it. If I say tell me something about yourself, prepare करके जाना है. Just know ये 5 point बोलने हैं, write in bullets, but do not form a paragraph.
Okay.
नहीं तो domino effect की तरह you forget one word and it's tuck 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 tuck, question gone. So definitely a lot of resources are available. Rather, the entire process, I am also planning to put it on YouTube.
Okay.
So feel free, make the
Mhm.
maximum use of it, because I realized the entire content should be available because there's ample of them. And still, if you need guidance, search for a mentor.
Okay.
That is how it should be placed,
Hmm.
because बहुत ज़्यादा consumption of content can be dangerous because it's a subjective thing. So
Hmm.
even if two people are guiding you, it might go against you. क्योंकि मैं कुछ बोल रही हूँ, कोई और कुछ बोल रहा है, and both are correct. So you need to have one straight way where you're moving ahead, find the right set of people, practice, and you're good to go. And you will never be unemployed as a CA. So don't be scared. I mean, one important thing.
Okay. Now, इस पूरे प्रोसेस में corporates are incorporating automation, right? How can a candidate use these tools? Because मतलब I have seen so much use of ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini to create things, and that does not make sense to me. राइट जीपीटी सिर्फ वही कर सकता है जो आपको प्रॉम्प्ट उसको सही दे रहे हो. यू नीड टू गिव अ वेरी राइट प्रॉम्प्ट
Yes.
टू गेट अ राइट रिजल्ट. अदरवाइज बहुत तुरंत पता चल जाएगा. रेज्यूमे भी अगर आपने जीपीटी से बनवाया है तो बहुत तुरंत पता चल जाता है. इट इज क्वाइट विजिबल. या इवन फॉर दैट मैटर इफ योर पोस्ट ऑन लिंक्डइन आर जीपीटी क्रिएटेड, it is very easily identifiable. So what actual tools can a candidate use to upgrade their game in the recruitment process?
Take up more certificates जो actual में है, and two, the only thing you should depend on is your own brain. So shortcuts आ गए हैं, but एक recruiter, like even being a mentor and training people, the moment I get a resume, no ATS, my eyes are scanning it, but immediately I come to know कि इंसान वैसा है नहीं. दूसरा चैट जीपीटी, क्लॉड, कोई भी AI आपको एकदम extraordinary sentences बना के देगा. First sentence in your interview, it's proved. आपका अल्टीमेट एम है टू गेट दैट जॉब, नॉट टू रीच द इंटरव्यू.
करेक्ट.
बट इफ योर रिज्यूमे एंड योर इंटरव्यू वो सेम इंसान का लग ही नहीं रहा है, सो यू डोंट गेट द एंड गोल. Why did you strive for so long? So give some extra time to create that resume that depicts you. AI आ गया, उसका हेल्प लो, पैराफ्रेज तो खुद करो. You cannot depend extremely on them. Other thing, like if you're using any AI and you're copy pasting, तो AI बीच बीच में एक गैप छोड़ता है. वो मुझे नहीं पता, बट शायद ATS स्कैन कर पाए.
बिल्कुल.
क्योंकि जिस हिसाब से टेक्नोलॉजी इम्प्रूव हो रहा है, सो वो जो एक गैप आ रहा है, सो वर्ड हैज गॉट सर्टेन वेज हाउ टू फिगर दैट आउट. अगर वो पता ही कर ले रहा है तो आपको ऑथेंटिसिटी नहीं रहा. बिफोर दे सीन यू दे नो आप कॉपी पेस्ट वाले इंसान हो. सो आई थिंक AI को भी एक लिमिट तक यूज करना चाहिए. गुड एटलीस्ट पीपल हु आर वॉचिंग अस राइट नाउ, वो उस जनरेशन को बिलोंग करते हैं जो नॉन AI एरा में रहे हैं. Just imagine the life of the people who are like born in the last 2 years. I mean, God bless the parents. That's scaring you, huh?
Okay. So, recruitment process is done. I think एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट के लिए या कोई भी एक स्टूडेंट के लिए the articleship era or the college era is the platform where the game of getting higher salaries and higher networks is played. Right? तो उसको थोड़ा सा अगर अपन टच करें कि
Like what can be done?
How to most fruitfully use those 3 years of your articleship and plan your 30 years.
Okay, so I would take 2 set of people. एक जिसको पता है उसको करियर में क्या चाहिए.
Okay, done.
You go in a backward direction. आपको कंसल्टेंसी में जाना है, आर्टिकलशिप उस टाइप के फनल से करो. Now, if you get an articleship in big fours, in big companies like McKinsey, BCG, go ahead, nothing better than that. If you are in a position कि आप relocate कर सकते हो. They also offer a lot of work from home, not too many for articles, but yes, so at least apply करो. Now, टाइप 2 जो मेजॉरिटी है, उनको नहीं पता क्या
नहीं
करना.
पता.
Now only because they want a tag,
Hmm.
वो एक बड़ा कंपनी ज्वाइन करते हैं. Problem with the bigger the company, the same type of work you will have to do. So if you get into any big organization, they don't want to keep on spending time and resources and training you for a new set of tasks. अब अगर आप बड़ा कंपनी ज्वाइन कर दिए, you are getting the culture.
Hmm.
But on the other hand, you are not getting the exposure to understand अलग अलग चीज जो आप कर सकते हो. So as if I talk about a chartered accountant, it is no more practice or job. Even in job, you have like innumerable options, starting from banking, audit, taxation, consultancy, private equity, investment banking, 6 without a breath. Right? So many options. तो इनको figure out करने के लिए the bigger the organization is, lesser are the opportunities कि आप at least 2-3 चीज को भी figure out कर पाओगे. So get into a mid-size firm so that you have time to explore and at the same time आप उसी organization में 3 साल में at least 2 से 3 fields explore कर सको.
So इसमें before we move ahead, क्या एक सूरत बेस्ड इंटर्न क्लियर स्टूडेंट को मुंबई शिफ्ट होना कंपलसरी है
नहीं.
in their articleship period to
No.
grow as much as they want to?
No, see, इसमें हर बार ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि it is. I would rather put it this way: it is not the place that matters, it's the organization that matters.
Okay.
आप बॉम्बे जाके एक बेसिक फर्म से करो तो सूरत में रह के करो because you have to manage your studies as well.
True.
See, very frankly speaking, it's easier said than done, staying away from the family without getting all the ease when you are just doing a task. आप आर्टिकलशिप कर रहे हो, that's almost a job. Only you're not paid for it. Right? So आप उसके साथ जब पढ़ाई भी मेंटेन कर रहे हो, so why do you want to take so much of mental stress if the brand or the work experience you are getting is not worth it? So don't go on the city, go on the culture, go on the end goals that you are looking for. अगर पता है इस बिग फोर में काम करके मेरा फ्यूचर becomes more secured, go ahead, nothing like it. बट अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है, आप वहां जाके एक जगह अटक गए, आपको पता ही नहीं है आपके चारों तरफ ऑप्शंस क्या है, and you don't have time in tier 1 cities, you're either traveling or you're working. So to create that particular setup, it's fine even if you're working from a tier 2 city or in a tier 2 city. I believe कोई problem नहीं है. Surat has enough opportunities. So why go out अगर आपको उसी टाइप के कंपनी में मुंबई जाके करना है? Enjoy a few more years with your family.
Okay. Ab, in these 3 years, other than articleship, what a student must look for? Maybe an industrial training, या फिर upskilling, या फिर growing your connections or networks so that बाद में if you want to start a startup maybe, you have the right connects. So what are these steps to look for कि ये तो करना ही है, सिर्फ don't go for the articleship only if you are not in Big Four or that kind of जहाँ पे आपके 12 घंटे वहीं चले.
Right. So let's go one by one. So first thing you mentioned was
Industrial training.
Industrial training. Great if you can have a balance, or I would say if you can convince the principal. Right? Because आपका एक mandate होता है इतने साल करना ही है. If you can officially request him that 1 month I would like to shift and do an industrial training, the more you learn, the more exposure you get, the better it is. So undoubtedly industrial training works well. At the same time, industrial training नहीं हो पा रहा है. Figure out people. Surat is an industrial hub, I would say. Go visit industries. Look into textiles, the various type of textiles. और अगर आप एक बार pause करके आप भी अगर ये वीडियो को सोचोगे भी, so you know 10 people who are in textile industry running a manufacturing unit, at least go and see. You never know कि उसमें से कहाँ आपको क्या scope मिल जाए. Looking into diamonds, whether it's like cutting diamonds or polishing diamonds or it's lab grown, you have it all in Surat. Talk about paper industry, you have it. So ऐसा नहीं industries नहीं है. Industrial training 1 महीना का नहीं पा रहे हो, industrial visit तो कर लो.
Okay.
Right? Next, coming to networking. Networking, I believe Vikasa is a great foundation. There in every ICAI branch that's there, but people are not utilizing it. आपको वो stage दे रहे हैं at almost no cost. People are not joining it. Who is going to push you? कोई लाइफ में आके नहीं बोलने वाला okay, this is my offer letter, you hand it over to you. You will have to take that step forward. लेकिन विकासा में नहीं जा रहे, वहाँ आपको public speaking, exposure, you're getting so many opportunities, but नहीं join कर रहे. So join them. लोगों से मिलना बहुत जरूरी है. एलॉन मस्क अकेला एलॉन मस्क बन जाता है? नहीं, you need a team. I mean, looking into a team with 4 people or looking into a big size company, everyone needs a team. लोगों को जानने से you will get in opportunities. 3, networking through LinkedIn. Again, I cannot like force people, otherwise मैं वो भी कर देती. Open a LinkedIn profile. The best of the trainings I have got is through my LinkedIn connects. आप इतने लोगों से मिल रहे हो, how are you getting connected to them? And people would say, oh, we are connected on Instagram or Facebook, but they are not going to stay and there is no major business happening there. So networking through LinkedIn is another thing you can do. Next thing you stated was upskilling. We have to.
One has to, but do they go again into technical upskilling, or is soft skill mein
Both.
upskilling is necessary?
Khali, like if in a batch of 50 again, there were at least 5 having a combination of CA with some other good course.
Okay.
And they are your competitors.
But good course mein students have a big misconception that a good course is CFA, and there's an entire bandwagon goes behind it.
No. There are lot of good courses.
Yes.
There are cohorts.
Hmm.
So cohorts, आपका 1 महीना का बैच चल रहा है. Now I am not a person who would say आप online courses खरीद लो, self-paced वाले आप नहीं पढ़ोगे. Already syllabus में there are so many things you are taking in your head, and it is expecting too much from that person कि आप इतना dedication लाओ कि आप self-paced course भी अच्छे pace पे चलाओ. So instead join a cohort. Now in a cohort you have live classes, you have back home work to do, you get the interest of learning, and that's actual learning. पढ़ने वाला बिल्कुल YouTube से फ्री में भी पढ़ सकता है. Now it's again student specific. वो जुनून है कि आप YouTube से पढ़ पा रहे हो. जो CA पढ़ता हुआ स्टूडेंट में टाइम ही नहीं होता है frankly. So once you join a cohort, you pay for it, you know कि अब वो करना है. It's important and that's real value. So joining cohorts, along with that, it's very important to learn how to communicate. And more than taking up a course for it, I prefer take opportunities for it. आप जब तक आके नहीं बोलोगे तब तक it's going to be difficult. And people who are planning to start their practice, every client meeting is a group discussion. Planning to get into entrepreneurship, every meeting is a group discussion.
0%. True. And
Like job वाले को तो लाइफ में 5-7 करना होगा. Anyone getting into the other 2 things, practice or entrepreneurship, दिन के 2-4 करना है.
True.
So you cannot escape it.
And इसमें तो I think again ICI offers a great opportunity of the yearly conclave.
Yes.
Right? You have to have at least one paper presentation across India. You can apply in any branch.
You have amazing opportunities,
Yes.
sir. Like I've been closely connected with them in terms of just guiding them or helping them out. And I would say that when I train paper presenters also, like last time I trained. So I would like to say they are so amazing. आप नहीं भी select होते हो 5 जगह वीडियो बना के तो भेजो. You have to send a video and based on the video you are selected. वो वीडियो बनाने का तो मेहनत करो, कोई देख भी नहीं रहा आपके वीडियो को. If you're selected, you're worth it. If not, it's time for take 2 for another conference. But वो करना तो पड़ेगा. लोग क्यों comfort zone में अटके हुए हैं? 10 people, I asked them to do a group discussion and 40 people on the other side watching them. बाकी 40 यही सोच रहे होते हैं हम आएंगे तो क्या होगा, कोई गलती नहीं निकाल रहे उन 10 का. But they are busy thinking, what if I make a mistake? So make mistakes abhi.
True. Now, before we move on to the next part, LinkedIn wala I would like to again touch. LinkedIn pe a major issue is how to grow connections and followers. So you post regularly. Now, 2 things: what to post, how to plan those posts, frequency of those posts to get good connections. And second, एक बार अपना बात हुआ था, again, I think for this podcast only, we were planning that how we can download
your
resume from
Yes,
LinkedIn,
yes.
which can be a master file for our actual resume.
Okay. So moving on to the first one, start with at least once a month.
That
Good.
low.
It should be thrice a week at least, but at least start.
Starting point should be once a
Start.
month.
मतलब ये सोच के कि अगर मैं अभी तुरंत बोलूँ ना कि वीक का 3 करना है, 99.99% और आधा 100% मुझसे हमारे बस का बात नहीं है.
बस का बात
At
नहीं, या
least
फिर GPT content जाएगा.
one post a month.
हम्म,
Move it down to 2 posts a month, 4 posts a month. Come down to at least once a
आ
week.
गया.
Every Monday create a post. And do batch content creation. अगर आपसे नहीं हो रहा है तो you believe 4 times a month अगर post करना है, but वो consistency नहीं maintain हो रहा है, create it. On LinkedIn, when you're posting, you have an option of schedule post.
Yes.
So you create 4 posts अगर current affairs से related नहीं है तो, and you schedule post. At least आपके पेज में मैं आऊँ तो at least I know that you are a human. It's not a dead account.
Correct.
Right?
So content can be anything that
If
I
you
am
know-
passionate about.
Yes, but it has to be professional. So there's a major difference between Instagram content and LinkedIn content, and we need to know the difference. Otherwise, you would be boycotted. Okay, so even if you're traveling, you need to connect your traveling to your learnings. So ऐसा नहीं है आप traveling नहीं डाल सकते हो. But how a travel to Japan helped you understand the importance of cleanliness and how India can benefit for it, or connecting it to the cleanest city can be the entire loop that can be used.
Okay.
आप ये नहीं बोल सकते वहां जाके हमने matcha पिया. Although you can put a picture of yours
Yes.
when you're decently dressed and you have a matcha in front of you, that works. But then the post has to be good, otherwise your connections बढ़ने की जगह कम हो जाएंगे. Okay?
Okay.
So, yes, so that was how often you should post. Most important is start, be consistent. जो भी consistency रखना है, वो 1 साल तक रखना है. You will see the connections grow. There is like no way that will not happen. It might be slow, it might be fast, but it will happen. Second thing that you asked was resume. So when you open LinkedIn on your desktop, just beside your name, you have 3 dots. Click on it and you say download as PDF.
Okay.
When you do that, आपका resume एक PDF के तरह save हो जाएगा, and you can do that for my LinkedIn. So similarly, अब आप सोचो resume में खाली एक वो link है, आपका LinkedIn account तो है जो आपने डाला था उसका URL, लेकिन उसके अंदर कुछ नहीं है. And when I download it, what I see is last you studied in grade 12. Experience तो छोड़ दो, about section भी छोड़ दो. So you have to make sure before you add that URL, आप at least अपना जो profile है उसको update कर.
Wonderful.
Yes.
So before we end it, this was all for the freshers. Now, once if we can touch for a candidate who is looking to switch jobs. For instance, the candidate was working for 6 years in a corporate, मान लेते हैं internal audit. Now they want to change their profile, right? So they are as good as a fresher in a new profile, right? तो उनके लिए भी सेम चीजें applicable है.
बहुत ज्यादा important है. एक ऐसा upskilling करो that can be the answer to all the questions.
Okay.
क्योंकि अगर internal audit से आपको जाना है investment banking पे, just think about the recruiter वो आपको क्यों hire करेंगे.
Exactly.
Because your expectations about the salary would be
6
6
years
साल
on.
बाद के वाला, but for that person you're a fresher. So you need to upskill yourself one, and don't take up any free course या YouTube से आप सीख लो, उससे authenticity नहीं आएगा. And if you have been into a job since 6 years, you're earning. So take out a part of your money to learn. There are no shortcuts here. Second thing, if possible, आप 3 महीने एक मिड साइज फर्म में उसी से रिलेटेड कर लो. साइमल्टेनियसली यू आर अप्लाइंग. यू हैव लेफ्ट द फर्स्ट वन, सेकंड वन में आप अप्लाई कर लो. इन द मीनवाइल इट विल टेक 2 months 3 months, राइट? सो वो 2-3 महीने में एटलीस्ट कहीं पे ना मिड साइज फर्म और अ स्मॉल फर्म आल्सो नो द बेसिक्स. खाली like BRS हमने सबने उसमें किया था, remember in our papers.
हाँ
But when I actually did, I was given asked to make a BRS. I took 7 days to make one because the bank statement was 26 pages.
oh okay
100 रुपया का डिफरेंस आ रहा है, वो मिल ही नहीं रहा है. मिलाते मिलाते you're done. So there's a lot of difference between the actual learnings and that learning. Yes.
perfect I think that's it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for guiding everyone around the recruitment
I really
process.
hope it reaches the right set of people and it helps them. Although it was a little long, but I believe I tried and given lot of insights कि ये सुन के at least उनको पता है बिना किसी help के
Yes.
how they can
True.
still manage. You don't need to spend to learn. You just need the right set of things
Set
to
of-
know.
So, I think what we have created today is a guideline.
Yes.
Before you start anything, you just watch this, plan, and then just execute.
Yes.
Nothing else.
I've given you the strategy now. अब जो आर्ट सीखना है वो प्रैक्टिस से आएगा, वो कोई आपको नहीं सिखा सकता है, आपको ही बोल के सीखना होगा.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.